Still your favorite place to hide away, I see.
Bubbles, if me really a hide, they wouldn't find me. What is? Surveillance?
Carlton, where is Celine?
What you want to do? Finish the job and start?
You take an injured agent from out of the hospital 2 weeks before she was supposed to be discharged. You think that funny?
It's hilarious. That's why I laugh so hard.
You know the world of trouble where you're in and now, Carlton? If you're stunt like that.
Lock me up there now. I'm scared to take them still.
Carlton, Celine in a danger. You in a
Yeah. You will say anything for me tell you which part Celine there. But that not gonna happen. Tell me so. How coincidental is it that the minute you call me and ask me which part she there, she pick up a bullet in her shoulder, where obviously was aimed for her head.
Because we figure out that she in a trouble. You put her in a trouble. The information what she dig up for you will realize that somebody track her upon it.
Only track her upon it. Bubbles, I know how this work, you know. She have agency secrets and she not gonna leave. So your boss decide to kill her before she leave. You can't stop me when I'm wrong.
You know you're being dangerously arrogant though. How long you think you can hold an agent under your so-called protection and the agency not come down for you?
The same agency where under investigation. Oh yeah. Cynthia and I are very good friends. Someone know about that. So you're supposed to be inactive. How long you think it is before you end up in a prison if you continue to follow me?
Let me try break it down as simple as possible to you. Celine's life is still in danger. Your life is in danger. The person who is after Celine is also after you.
So let me guess. The shot was meant for me.
Exactly.
So I guess I'll do a piss poor job at training in the snipers. Ghosts or blackout, whichever one take the shot. Cause if you miss me and hit your own agent, sad.
Just answer me this. Are you responsible for taking out the two agents?
Taking them on a date? Well, you said taking them out, so I don't swing that way, Bubbles. I two-man that.
You know you take everything for a fucking joke. Let me tell you this. If me ever find out say you responsible for taking down me two sniper them, you go down.
Oh, wow. So, let me see something. Trent Russell and Nicholas Bogle, two notorious Don from volatile communities, where your boss take on them wings and train them as snipers. Me, I go get in a trouble. Oh, me I go down. Tide. If I me take them out, sounds like your boss I gonna be the one in trouble.
Carlton, where is Tony Esperanza?
Huh? You know what? Me hungry.
Carlton, I'm cousin after you, yeah? Miranda Suarez, super agent from the South American agency. She was after you. And that's why Celine get it.
So, when I recruit from overseas as well for doing the dirty work. Interesting. Wow. So that means Blackout and Ghost innocent after all. And here I am accusing them.
Yeah. She was his business partner. And she's still there in Jamaica. And she not stop till the job is done. So put that in your pipe and smoke it.